Take a ride in the 2019 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport, which was assembled in Lafayette, Indiana, also gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.